Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, which was requested by a viewer, I will show you how to make a cool lightning design for men. This design, which looks like real lightning flashing in the dark, is especially recommended for men. It's also cool to draw just one nail on a black nail. Also, for those who do their own nails, I'll explain in detail and in an easy to understand way how to draw it. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll apply black as a base color. Gels that contains a lot of pigments such as white and black are prone to uneven coloring. There will be color unevenness after the first coat, but don't worry about it. The second coat will eliminate the color unevenness, so leave the first coat to harden under the light as is. Once applied all over, let it harden. The uneven color is still noticeable after one coat, so we'll apply a second coat. After the second coat, the uneven coloring is gone. Once you have applied it to the entire nail, let it harden. Next, prepare a palette or aluminum foil. Take out a small amount of turquoise on it. Also, take out some clear gel such as base coat. Take out turquoise and clear gel in a ratio of about 1:3 and mix the gel well with a toothpick or spatula to avoid unevenness. Once the color gel is ready, apply the base coat you used earlier to the entire nail and spread it thinly. This is to help the color you created earlier blur nicely, so a small amount is fine. It's okay if there are brush marks left like this. Let's proceed to the next step without hardening. Next, use an oval brush to apply the light turquoise color you made earlier to your nail. Move the brush in a soft wavy motion to draw the letter Y. Apply the gel by gently stroking only the surface of the gel without applying too much pressure to the brush. The key is to apply it in a way that doesn't look too straight by moving it gently from side to side. Also, do not mix the gel too much with the brush. Imagine clouds floating in the sky as you draw. Once you have successfully blended like this, harden it with a nail light. Next, apply a thin layer of base coat again and repeat the previous process. Applying another coat here will give the impression of depth like a cloud. Apply an additional coat in a narrower area than the first coat. If this method doesn't work, the turquoise color may be too dark, so try adding a little more clear gel. Also, if you apply too much, it will be too dark and won't work, so try using less turquoise color. The first time the color was lighter, but this time it has more depth like a cloud. Now let's harden it with a nail light. Next, take a small amount of white onto the palette. Blend white into a thin line brush. Using a line brush with white on it, draw a thin line of lightning in the center of the cloud. try to draw the line as thin as possible. The key here is to draw a thin, jagged, irregular line. If it's too thick, it won't look like lightning, so use only the tip of the liner brush to draw as thin as possible. If you make a mistake, wipe it off with ethanol and try it again. Once you've successfully drawn the lightning line like this, let it harden. You can finish it as it is, but this time, we'll take one more step to make it look more like lightning. We'll use a translucent navy color here. Mix this navy with a clear gel, such as a base coat, in a 1:1 ratio. Now, take a small amount of the navy blue onto the tip of the oval brush and apply it to the white lines and cloud. Rather than applying it evenly, it's better to apply it in a way that makes the color uneven on purpose, so that you can create a more realistic lighting effect. Compared to before the navy blue was applied, it looks like this. It has become even bluer and now looks like it is glowing with neon light. Now we will harden it with the light. Now for the final touch, apply a no-wipe top coat. This is the final step, so be careful not to get any lint or other debris in, and make sure the surface is smooth. Once you've applied it all over, let it harden. This completes the process. You've finished with a really cool design that looks like lightning flashing. How did you like the men's nail design? I was mesmerized by how cool it was while I was making it. If there are any designs that men who do self-nailing would like me to try, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.